guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today we worked in the ceiling, working on some rooftop unit stuff, which consisted of right here just adding a 90 at the end of this offset, an EMT, and then adding some strut across the ceiling, joists, purlins, whatever you want to call them. So we did that, and then we added a second one over there and then did an H pattern. So we worked on those two units, and then for the rest of the day, I went ahead and worked on this pipe run going down the ceiling for fire alarm next to the rooftop unit power. They're both going to be going to the same unit, so I got about 85 feet done on that one.